students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, SI unit of electric flux is, our options are Newton per coulomb, Weber, Newton meter square per coulomb, or Newton coulomb per meter square. So electric flux formula, phi is equals to E dot A, where E is electric field and A is area. So electric field is force per unit charge and into area. So unit of force will be Newton, unit of area is meter square, and unit of charge is coulomb. So correct answer should be Newton meter square per coulomb. Our option C is the correct option. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.